Are you aware that by the year 2030, approximately 20% of the US population will be senior citizens? This is so important for you to understand when you're debating or deciding if you should jump into final expense insurance sales. It's an untapped market, an untapped people group that has not gotten anywhere close to reaching its full potential. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 tips why maybe you should consider taking a dive into final expense insurance sales. Hope you enjoy the content. Before I go into these 4 points with you, my name's Jason. I'm your friend in the business, and I'm so blessed to partner in our national agency with some of the most amazing brand new and veteran agents alike, working shoulder to shoulder, selling life, Medicare, and annuities face to face, but more importantly, in the telespace. So free resources for your taking at jasonfinalexpense.com. And I really appreciate you joining with us in this content today. I hope it's a help to you today. So first off, understand that by the year 2030, seniors will account for approximately 20% of the U.S. population. 11,000 people are turning age 65 every single day. Yeah, I didn't stutter. 11,000 people are going to turn age 65 every single day and will do so for the next decade, the next 10 years. This is power. When you're understanding an untapped market that you may decide to jump into and absolutely adore, we've got to actually account how many people will I have to go talk to. Before you take the plunge, you want to make sure you've got enough people to go sell to, right? If you want to be successful, this is an untapped people group. This is a huge market for you. It is a great opportunity for anyone selling final expense insurance, period. A lot of folks don't understand that insurance agents are aging. There's a lot of amazing insurance agents that have made a way for you and for me. They've passed on. They're putting more golf shoes on than they are insurance salesman shoes. They're serving their clients because they've built a beautiful block of business in this space, but they've kind of grandfathered out. They've gone on the golf course, gone on before you. And this is powerful when there's not as many insurance agents serving this market. And now the market is just becoming more explosive. This will help you be a powerful force for good, and you may find that this untapped potential is everything that you need. Now, final expense insurance is, just so that you understand, is a whole life policy for the most part that helps cover the final expenses that are frustrating for families to make sure that they've got the money necessary to pay for cremation and burial and leaving a legacy behind. So final expense insurance is big. It's building policies so that the family doesn't have to get out their bank accounts and take care of those hard things that create hardships for a lot of loved ones. So it's a very big blessing to guard these great families and some of the greatest generations. You're going to be getting into their homes, getting on the phones, and powerfully protecting them. This is the right opportunity to give the right coverage to these great families. So if you're thinking, why should I sell final expense insurance? Well, tip number one, it's an untapped market that has yet to receive its full potential. We're not anywhere close. It's not anywhere close to reaching its full potential. Powerful numbers are rising and rising and rising, and there's a real need for this product. You've got to understand an untapped market is going to be massive for you if you decide that this is the right space for you to find success. So point number one, the market is yet to get anywhere close to reaching its powerful potential. 11,000 people turning age 65 every single day, dynamic level of leads, and leads are leverage, my friends. If you have a lot of leads, a lot of people turning age 65 by 2030, approximately 20% of the population is now in a place where they need you to serve them. This is success written all over it when you're in this space and you're grounded and ready to go. So point number one, power, power, power. Point number two, you've got to understand that this is a product that people truly need. Everybody's going to pass away. Everybody needs the paper. All right. They need that life insurance to be there for the families. So a lot of people don't have any insurance, believe it or not. They don't have coverage. This is where you come in as a final expense insurance agent. You're going to be intentional about understanding point number one, it's an untapped people group, an untapped, powerfully underserved market. Number two, this is now a product that everybody, and I mean most everybody, needs that you're going to be calling on, whether you're a face-to-face final expense insurance agent or a final expense telesales agent. This is actually something that they need. They need not this multi-million dollar, not affordable coverage. They need this powerful coverage, and they need you to come in and help them. This is big for you. So it's a product that people need. Point number 3 is that final expense insurance is insanely easy. There's a huge demand for this product, but it's stupid simple to sell. It's not some complicated mess. So when you're trying to get into this market, you want to understand that it's an easy product to sell. It's an easy product to put forward and solve the problems that your clientele base, your prospect base needs you for. This is big. Final expense insurance sales is not get out your abacus and grab all these risk assessments and come back later. It's very, very simple to sell. Very simple once you have good systems in place, like what we provide agents at jasonfinalexpense.com and our work family here. It can be frustrating for brand new agents that don't have this, but you can make it. It's very easy to understand. It's a guaranteed rate lock, guaranteed death benefit. Let's do this if it's affordable, and we're done. It's a very, very easy product to understand and sell to the consumer. It's very, very simple. It's not a complicated mess like Medicare. It's not a complicated mess like annuities if you don't get it. It's not like a UL or term insurance or mortgage protection insurance sales. It's not complicated, not even a little bit. So when you understand that final expense insurance is insanely easy to explain, it's very easy to sell because here's the price, here's the product, nothing moves, nothing changes. Whole life is just stupid easy. It's this price, it's this death benefit, nothing moves, nothing changes. Oh, by the way, some cash value in between. And that's really it. It's as simple as that. I don't know what it sounds like, really. That's it. Yeah. It's just whole life insurance, guaranteed rate lock, guaranteed death benefit, and you're done. It's easy to understand, very easy to sell. Understand that it really is an affordable product. It's not some pricey product. You can price this product just so comfortably. These are great people that need you, but it's an affordable premium, which is allowing you to have powerful opportunity. It's a simple application process. It's seamless. Most final expense policies, it's day one instant decision. Most final expense policies, even for graded risks, it's day one. Here's your decision in that home over the phone, powerfully protecting them. You're not coming back 2, 3, 4 days later with a decision. It's like instant decision in most cases. This is big. And when you take care of these great folks, the clientele base is loyal for life. It's a lifetime of a problem. My friends, final expense insurance is a lifetime problem, and you saved them with your product. This is big. They need life insurance. It's a loyal client for life. And you're going to find out that that client for life is what's helping you in your career. It's an untapped people group, crazy, powerful commissions. You're not making some 50% commissions. You can make crazy good commissions. And if you're an insurance agent that's maybe captive and you're being kept down at around a 60% grid, you can make 100% commission selling a very simple product. Reach out if you need any resources on our website. We'll serve you at jasonfinalexpense.com. But there's insanely high compensation in this space, and you're going to sincerely love these people. You're not going to have these persistency problems unless you're trying to stretch somebody. You may sell it through a high pressure tactic. Don't do that, by the way. You're going to find out that you're going to be chased, all right, with negative chargebacks because you stretched a consumer. Always causes problems when you sell the wrong way. Make sure that you powerfully protect them. And this is big, but it's an affordable premium, super powerful people to talk to, low lead cost, but it's a simple application. It's simple to understand, simple to sell. And it's simple to serve these great folks with it once you grasp how easy it is to engage. It's easy to understand. Point number 4, you don't need to be an expert to be successful in this space. It's so simple. It is not easy, my friends. It's not easy, but it's very simple. You don't have to be an expert to be successful in this market. You need the right products. We've got them. All right. The right products is what you need so that you can place those problems in the care of these companies. All right. Right product, powerful. Number two, you need the right training. You need the right work family so that you can have everything you need to powerfully move forward into this untapped market. So you need the right product, you need the right training, you need the right skill set, the will set to win. But number three, you need the right attitude. Okay, within point number four, these are three very powerful things: product, right training, right translation, the right work family, but then you've got to have the right mind. Belief is the backbone of this industry. You want to be a beast, you want to be your best, you've got to have the right attitude so that people want to listen to you, so that they know that you're not having commission breath. You're coming to solve their problems. You can be a powerful problem solver in this space. You're going to love every minute of it when you've got the right mindset, you got the right work set, the right work family, and the right powerful products to help you find profitability in a very simple industry. It's so easy to understand once you've engaged in it as long as we have. You got to start selling it if it's your passion. Money follows good passion and your effort for sure. But this is a growing and lucrative market that you may absolutely adore and love. If you're in this space, maybe you're a property casualty agent debating whether you should jump into final expense insurance sales. Maybe you're a mortgage protection or a Medicare insurance agent that's realizing that Medicare is a mess right now and you can make so much more money with final expense insurance sales. Reach out. We'll serve you in any way I can. 90% of the agent force fails because sometimes they fail to have the right work family, failed to have the right data before they jumped in and took a dive into this powerful space. Hope this helps you and was a absolute fun time for you. I've enjoyed my time with you in this video. Hope you like it. And thank you for tuning in. Remember, you've got what it takes. And this is an untapped people group that if you like it, you may never leave. It's addicting. Hope you have a great day, my friends, and we'll see you soon.